Best Brother machines, automatic needle threading, diverse stitch options, and adjustable speeds make them ideal for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, Brother provides reliable machines that meet your needs. This blog post explores some of the best Brother sewing machines available. Discover which models suit your sewing requirements and budget. Let's dive into the details. List 1. Brother LS14S Metal Chassis Sewing Machine. Discover the Brother LS14S sewing machine, perfect for beginners and hobbyists. Its strong metal chassis ensures durability and stability. Compact design fits seamlessly into any sewing space. Enjoy easy-to-use features for smooth stitching. Create beautiful projects effortlessly with this reliable machine. Advantages: compact design fits easily in small spaces. Perfect for home use. Metal chassis ensures durability and stability. Built to last. Simple controls make sewing easy for beginners. User-friendly interface. Lightweight for easy transport and storage. Move it anywhere. Versatile stitch options support various projects. Creativity unleashed. List number: Brother AE1700 17-stitch sewing machine. Discover the ease of sewing with the Brother AE1700 sewing machine. This compact device offers 17 versatile stitches, perfect for beginners and hobbyists. Its sleek white design fits any home decor. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to store and move. Reliable performance ensures smooth sewing every time. Ideal for creating clothes, home decor, and crafts. Advantages: discover the benefits of the Brother AE1700 sewing machine. This versatile tool enhances your sewing experience. Here are 5 advantages. Easy to use. User-friendly design simplifies sewing for beginners and experts alike. Versatile stitch options offers 17 different stitches to match various sewing needs. Compact and portable. Lightweight build makes it easy to move and store. Reliable performance. Consistent stitching ensures high-quality results every time. Affordable choice. Great value for a sewing machine with multiple features. List number: Brother FS70 WTX Sewing and Quilting Machine. Experience the joy of crafting with the Brother FS70 WTX Sewing and Quilting Machine. This versatile machine offers 70 built-in stitches, perfect for both simple and intricate designs. Lightweight and easy to use, it enhances your sewing projects with precision. The machine's white finish gives it a sleek and modern look. Ideal for beginners and seasoned sewists alike. It offers reliable performance for every project. Create beautiful quilts and garments effortlessly. Advantages: enjoy versatility with 70 built-in stitches for creative projects. Easy to use LCD screen simplifies stitch selection and adjustments. Lightweight design ensures easy portability and convenient storage. Automatic needle threader saves time and reduces eye strain. Quilting table included for larger projects and improved stability. List number: Brother CS10 Sewing Machine. Yellow. Brighten up your sewing experience with the Brother CS10 Sewing Machine in cheerful yellow. Perfect for beginners. This user-friendly machine offers versatile stitching options. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry to sewing classes or crafting sessions. The intuitive controls simplify your sewing projects, ensuring flawless results every time. Enjoy creativity with its reliable performance and charming color. Advantages: bright and cheerful. The Brother CS10 sewing machine shines yellow. This vibrant color adds personality to your workspace. It makes sewing more fun and inviting. User-friendly design ensures easy operation for beginners. Simple controls guide you through every step. Less confusion, more creativity. Compact size fits perfectly in small spaces, ideal for apartments or tiny homes. Keeps your sewing area tidy and organized. Versatile features accommodate various sewing projects. From clothes to crafts, it handles them all. Experiment with different fabrics and designs. Affordable pricing offers great value for money. Quality performance without breaking the bank. A smart choice for budget-conscious. List 5. Brother AE2500 Sewing Machine. Discover the charm of sewing with the Brother AE2500 Sewing Machine in vibrant purple. Perfect for beginners, this machine offers easy-to-use features for creative projects. Its compact design fits snugly in small spaces, adding a splash of color to your crafting corner. Enjoy a smooth sewing experience with reliable performance and handy stitch options. Ideal for crafting clothes, home decor, or simple repairs.
Let your creativity flow effortlessly. Advantages: lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. Simple controls suit beginners and experienced users alike. Versatile stitches cover a wide range of sewing projects. User-friendly instructions help you start sewing right away. Affordable price offers great value for quality features.